Hi, I'm Karthi Manikaraj. Already I explaining about system information and file system information, then partition storage administration. Now we going to see about system administration in Linux. So in that we'll see first topic, break or repair root password. So I have installed Red Hat 6.0, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6.0 in VMware. Example, I don't know the root password, I forgot. So how to repair or break the root password? See, go to the full screen, it will show some shutdown option. Restart your Linux machine. Your machine is rebooting. After restarting, see, you have to press E. It will show Red Hat Enterprise Linux 3 seconds to boot. So like in that time you have to press E. It shows Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Again press E. Select the kernel. Again one more time press E. E means edit. Then space with 1. Then press enter. Then again press B. B for boot. Now your system terminal enter into single user mode. Okay, fine. Yeah, it's coming. So password space root. Enter your new password. This is the steps to break or repair the root password. Init 6. So now try your new password. See, other root, then password. So this is the first topic. So break or repair root password. The next one, system run level. So first of all I have to connect through PuTTY. Yeah, okay, fine. So PuTTY, then enter the VMware Linux OS IP address 10.100, then username root, then corresponding password. So I have to increase the size, change settings, appearance, change 12. Okay, apply. Okay, in system administration, the second topic, system run levels. So what are the levels available in Linux? Example, in Linux totally have 6 run levels. Mainly Linux is called graphical mode interface, also available on more mode is called command line mode. See, this is in this operating system I have booted as graphical user interface, so I want to change it as command line mode. See, vim space / etc init init tab. In this configuration file you will see all the levels. So init 0, init 1. Init 0 means shutdown, init 1 single user mode, init 2 multi-user mode but there is no networking, then init 3 it is a full multi-user mode but no graphics. Then init 4 still not used, init 5 is a graphical mode, init 6 is a reboot. Mostly we change 3 by 5 by 3. 5 is a graphical mode, 3 is a command line mode. This is system run levels. The next, users and groups. How to create a users and groups. The user, add autil admin is a username. Then after creating user, set the password space username. This is a user add is a command, then space username to create a user, set the password space that corresponding username. Then I want to create a user but there is no login. Win no login virus, password virus. See, now I'm going to log in. So first I create a util admin, then password. So I have logged. Then I log in as user virus, then password. It not login. Why? I created as a no login. So user will be available but user can't log in. So how to log in that user? User mode -s/bin sh virus. Now the virus user able to log in. Virus and username. Yeah, have to set the bash. Bash shell. Exit virus and password. So I create a user, then create a user as a no login shell. Then I'm going to delete the user. So whenever you create a user, it will be store and home directory. See, See the users util admin Junifer Karthi virus, like that. So users are stored in vim space /etc password file. See the virus, then util admin. So in that file, first one is a username, then second field is encrypted password, then third one user id, then fourth one group id, in some gap is there is comment, then fourth one home directory, sixth one home directory, the seventh one is shell name. Then one more configuration file. Whenever you create a user or group, these two configuration file will be added. See util admin and virus. Then one more file /etc shadow, and this file contains user home, how long the user has been logged, password, age. See virus and util admin. So how to delete user del -r virus. It's currently logged, so I want to log out that user. Exit. Now we are able to delete that user. Then how to create a group, add group name. Then how to add a user into the group, -g group name, username. Karthi is already created user, means you have to created user. So Karthik is a new user. If you want to add existing user mode, then group name, no change. Yeah, capital G is the way to create a group, and group itself I had two user. How to delete a group del group name. Oh, okay, fine. The next one, cron tab is very much useful in administration. It is used to automate some jobs. Example, first check. See example, I want to reboot the machine particular time, or delete some files in desktop. First I have to check that time. See date command, it will show the date. So now time is 23:30. In 23:33 I want to delete all the files in temp directory. So automatically particular time, cron tab -u username, then edit, press I. First one is minute, 33 is railway time, so give 23 star. This one is date, month, weekdays, /bin, command to execute, rm-rf /temp /star. So exactly 23:33 at that time, daily it going to delete the temporary folder files and folders, whatever it be comes under in temporary directory. See the first one is minute, the second one is hours, then third one is date. If you want delete particular date, example 20 in month, which month you are going to delete the file. Weekdays means 0 to 6. 0 means Sunday, then 1 is Monday, like that. You have to mention the weekdays. After adding entry in the cron type, you have to restart the service cron d restart. Check config cron d on. So now date 2033 is going to delete all the temporary files. See now in the temporary folder it contains number of files and folders. So exactly 23:33 minute going to delete all the files. Actually I have scheduled that task. See, rm-rf in temp directory, it will delete all the files. Yeah, it delete all the files. So cron tab is very much useful in Linux administration. It is used to automate, we can automate a particular task, want to delete first log files and want to execute some task in the particular time. That case it will very much useful in Linux administration. Then next, shell script also one of the important thing in Linux administration. So it will automate the so many tasks. Example I create on shell script called info. I want to know some information. Whenever I create a file name .sketch, see, I want to know the present working directory, ls, then who, w command, then host name, architect. So if I want to execute the command one by one, it will take some time. If I want to execute multiple commands, actually shell script is a series of commands to execute it in single line. See, sketch file name. See, it will show all the output. Then one more method, chmod, totally execute the shell script two method. One is using sketch command, one is using /info.sketch. Before you have to give the execute permission, /info.sketch. It will also execute the shell script. So this is I show very simple example in shell script. In Linux, so many things are automated by shell script. Actually this one is bash shell script, Perl, Python, Ruby, so many type of shell script is there in Linux. The next one, local printer configuration. So how to configure local printer. So now I am going to configure local printer. System administration, printing, new, forward, choose your printer manufacturer. So my printer is HP. Then forward, choose LaserJet, then corresponding driver, yeah, it's a duplex. Then printer, the printer location, apply. This is the steps to create a local printer, configure the local printer. So very easy. Then next, okay, in this level I have explained 6 topics. In next class I am going to explain remaining topics. Thank you.